In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to book hotel with girlfriend. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how to use Expedia so you can book a hotel for you and your girlfriend. It is extremely simple, and usually this method or process is going to work for any other place where you can also book hotels, either online or in person. All that you have to do is go over to the specific website or mobile app for the place where you would like to book your hotel and make sure that you select the appropriate option. On Expedia, you have to choose between stays, flights, cars, packages, and so on, but stays, which is hotels, should be selected by default. Choose the destination, so I'm gonna for example, choose New York and you will be able to specify the dates. You can either select specific dates on this calendar or flexible dates. If you are able to be flexible, you might get a better deal. And afterwards, this is the most important thing. You have to select 2 adults and the amount of travelers. This way, you will be able to properly book a hotel for you and your girlfriend. If you choose only one traveler, then you will not be able to accommodate both of you on the same hotel room. If you have already booked your hotel, you can call them and let them know that you want to add another guest. They will charge you extra, but it is doable. Regardless, just make sure that you select 2 travelers. Click done and then search, and now you will be able to browse through all of the results. As long as you specified that you have 2 travelers and you want either one room, you will be able to book it accordingly. You can add more rooms if necessary or add children as well, and you should absolutely set it up correctly. Once you find one that satisfies you, click on it. You will be redirected to this page where you can browse through images of the stay, and afterwards just scroll down and choose the option to reserve any of the rooms listed here. Once you click reserve, once again you will be redirected and you will reach checkout, where you can include your contact information, and you might have to include the contact information of your girlfriend as well. Afterwards, choose from one of the available payment methods, and like I said, this process is usually going to be the same across all platforms where you can book hotels. For this video, I'm showcasing Expedia specifically, but the process is incredibly similar. You just search according to the destination, the dates, and the filters, and once you have everything set up, just proceed to checkout and choose how you want to pay. I hope I was able to help you on how to book hotel with girlfriend. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.